Immobiliser fit, and this is brand new 2024 Ford Raptor protected for Halo Mini Immobiliser. If a thief got the key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. Foot's on the brake, we're pressing the start button, vehicle's not starting. For the customer, they go through a code, receive a flash from the hazards, and then they can start the vehicle and it runs. As soon as they turn it off, we get a 2-flash activation, and as soon as the vehicle's turned off, it's not restarting without that code. If the customer wants to change the code, how they'll do that, keep their foot off the brake the entire time, double tap the start button, pop their code in, which first proves it's them, and the system knows it's now disarmed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times on the accelerator. We get a double flash, it's ready for a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4, turn the ignition off. We get a single flash, that confirms the code's learned. This code can be anything between 3 and 21 presses in any supported buttons. So you'll see now when we turn the ignition on, pop the old code in, we get no disarm, flash, the vehicle's not going to start. So we'll turn the ignition on, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive our flash, we can start. If the customer wants to put this in service mode, so it becomes a normal vehicle when it goes back to Ford. So the same as before, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, they'll pop their code in and they'll hold on the last press, keep that button held for about 15 seconds and we're going to get 5 flashes. Once we've got that, the system's going to be in service mode, it's just going to become a normal vehicle and Ford are just going to be able to drive it around without a code. So you'll see when we turn it off, it doesn't activate. We leave the vehicle, when we come back, it's going to start without a code, as if there's no immobiliser on it. Remember, when you get it home, you're going to have to turn the system back on because this doesn't expire. To do that, it's the same process as before. Press your code, hold the last button in the code for about 15 seconds, and we'll wait for 1 flash for it to come out of service mode. So we'll keep it held until we get that. Now we've got that, we can turn the vehicle off, and you see we're back to normal with our 2-flash activation, and the vehicle's not going to start without the code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Halo Mini on a 2024 Ford Raptor. Thanks for watching.